Hi, good afternoon, good morning, one and all. This is Naveen, your social science facilitator. Today we are going to learn about the religious system of Vijayanagara Empire. So we know very well about the Vijayanagara. Already we said where he is a Christian, Jew, Muslim or Hindu, everyone led life peacefully in Vijayanagara kingdom. It was a thing which has given by the lines which has given by the Barbosa. So Vijayanagara Empire was enjoyed the distinct having the encouraged all religions equally. Atmosphere was such as they were the Sri Vaishnavis or the Jains. They could forget their differences and they were leading a good life. We can say that already we have spoken previous classes. Today I am going to look after about the literature. So, due to the peace and order, economics process and literature were flourished in various works. They were created in Kannada, Sanskrit, Telugu, and Tamil languages. Already I was speaking that is due to the work what we are having that is in the all languages. So who all are that? So we can see the Ratnakara Varnis, that is Bharatesha Vaibhava, Chamarasas, Prabhulinga Lile, Kumara Vyasas, Gadugina Bharata are the important Kannada works of this time. We can say as in the Kannada literature has flourished very well on those times, that is Ratnakara Varnis, Bharatesha Vaibhava, Channarasas, Prabhulinga Lile, Kumara Vyasas, Gadugina Bharata, and Bhima Kavi translated Palkurike Somanatha's Telugu work and Basava Purana also to Kannada languages. The collection of Veerashaiva Vachanas, that is Shunya Sampadane, also published in those times. Beside this, Lankana Dandesha, Lankana Dandeshas, what are the Lankana Dandeshas? That is Shiva Tattva Chintamani, books in Kannada on a human and medical science. Other than that, we are having the not only the human science, it is a veterinary science and poetics, astrology, cookery was also flourished. Saint Purandaradasa, Kanakadasa, Sripadarayas and Vyasarayas enriched the Dasa Sahitya. Among these, Kanakadasas, Mohana Tarangini, Nalacharitra, Hari Bhaktisara, and Rama Dhyana Charita are the important and the notable works we can see. So other than that, we have the Vidyaranya is there, that is Vidyaranya Shankara Vijaya and Sarva Sangraha in the Sanskrit. His brother Satyacharya wrote commentaries on Vedas called Vedartha Prakasha, Ayurveda Sunidhi, and Purusha So that is we are talking about the Tenali Ramakrishna's, that is works are the important here. Krishna Devaraya court had also the Tamil poets and other than that Hariyara and others. Here we can say that they have given not only for the Kannada literature the scope has given for all. They are treating all are equal in here. In the Vijayanagara Empire, they have encouraged the Sanskrit, Kannada, Telugu and Tamil language. Art and architecture I have to say here. So the excellent work has done by the Vijayanagara kings in the fields of art and architecture was memorable. The emperors were known as the great patrons of the architecture. During the period of Vijayanagara, temples, palace, forts, towers and huge halls, that is we are calling as a Mahamantapa, and the public buildings, tanks, burns, canals, dams were constructed. Why these tanks? For the purpose of drinking water, burns, canals, dams for the purpose of the irrigation purpose, for the agriculture they have done. So about the art and architecture I am going to forward you to the link about the Hampi and Sringeri temple to you. You can see further in there. So the unique features of Vijayanagara art, that is the Vijayanagara kings were continued the architectural style of we can say as the Chalukyas, Chola and Hoysala. The unique features of architecture was constructions of huge auditorium and marriage hall. That was the special here. Temples had a huge towers, that is we are calling by Raya Gopura. It was leaf shaped arch and platforms were there. In this art, that is important temples I am going to speak it now. That during the period of Vijayanagara kings, temples were built in a Hampi, Sringeri, Tirupati, Lepakshi, Karkala, Modbidre, Patkal, Chidambaram, Kanchi, Kalahasti, Nandi, Sri Shaila, Kolar and other places. The most important temples constructed in the beginning of the Vijayanagara dynasty rule was, that is the Vidya Shankara temple at Sringeri. This is a very famous temple. You can visit. It is constructed on the platform. After that, it is having Raya Gopura also. So the platform is showing that the style of the unique style here. So that also you are can able to see in the videos there. And the structure of this temple is unique in India. Most ancient temple of Vijayanagara, is the Virupaksha temple at Hampi, having a vast courtyard or the hall we can say. This temple has many pillars with sculptures and decorative ceilings also. The Vijayavitala temple of Hampi is known for its magnificent horticultural beauty. The Saptaswara musical pillar, huge Kalyana Mantapas and stone chariot have been enhanced the beauty of the temple also. And you are going to the picture is showing about the Vijayavitala temple, that is, and the Virupaksha temple of Hampi you are seeing here. And the other than that, the Dasara festival was celebrated on the Mahanavami platform, that is constructed by Krishna Devaraya. The ambassador of Persia, that is Abdul Razak, recorded that during this festival. Where you are getting the information in the Eastern you might have studied, that is the sources, the basic construction of the history we are calling as a sources. Sources we are getting from the, and that is Abdul Razak is saying, and that is the king of distant places and the provincial leader has used this assemble as per the orders of emperor. Other than that, Kamala Mahal, elephant stable and Queen's Bath are wonderful example. It is a mixed of the Indo-Muslim architecture and architectural style. That is next Lakshmi Narasimha, Kadale Kalu Ganesha, Sasive Kalu Ganesha and Udana Veerabhadra's idols are attractive here. The fort of Hampi during Vijayanagara Empire was very strong with the 7 circular walls around. It has at present also we can see there are only 4 at present we can say the only 4 circulars wall around. This is the pictures what you are seeing here about the stone chariot of Hampi. Okay, and moreover that is do you know, according to the Percy Brown, the famous art historians, the temples of buildings and idols created by the Vijayanagara king is the most evolved from the of Dravida style of temple architecture. Next classes we are going to speak you about the I am going to speak about the music and dance and all those things. Thank you for stay tuning on GJS. Have a great day ahead.